Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are unboxing the DIY assembling engineering cars from trucks. I've got two sets here. These two sets are recommended for children aged 3 years and above. This is a great toy for parent and child to interact. These engineering cars are great to develop child imagination and creativity as they have their own unique way to be dismantled. There are instructions located on the right side on each box on how to dismantle each of the engineering car. Without further ado, let's get unboxing. On the first box, we have dump truck, shuffle car, excavator, and a snowplow. It also comes with a screwdriver, 3 different size screws, and a stone. On the second box, we have fixers, roller, grab machine, and bulldozer. Similar with the first box, we also got a screwdriver, 3 different size screws, and a stone. It's playtime! Conclude our unboxing for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. try?